Respected colleagues, dear friends, thank you for this opportunity to present the World Mime Organization that has been a partner of ITI since 2017 and the Congress in Segovia. We would like to use this time to present what we have been doing for the past year during the COVID-19 pandemic and present it to the ITI, all of its members and partners, and all of our colleagues working in theater, film, television, and all our audience in a united stand and unified cry, we will prevail. We have just finished the third World Mime Conference that happened online, just like this special edition of the ITI General Assembly. We have partnered with the Shanghai International Comedy Festival and the Shanghai Dramatic Arts Center, and our conference should have happened in Shanghai. And that is the direct and concrete result of the meetings with global partners organized by the ITI in November last year. For this, we are grateful to the ITI and its leadership. As an intro to the conference, we have organized the Speechless Comedy Festival as the part of the Shanghai International Comedy Festival, an online short comic mime video festival, animating Chinese online audience to enjoy mime and comedy, and to like or vote for the best clip. The performer or performers whose video had the largest number of likes will be invited to perform live at the Shanghai International Comedy Festival in 2021, with all the costs covered by the festival, and that is the first prize. We had wonderful discussions during the conference, presentations and workshops, like women in physical theater, body language in Chinese theater, are mimes and clowns relatives, moving Brecht, miming clowns, creative principles in Etienne Decroix's corporal mime, le langage universel de l'acteur corporel, body language in Peking opera. All the discussions and presentations were broadcasted live on World Mime Facebook page and had thousands of views. You can view them too if you wish, and share them and present them to your colleagues, friends, and students. We have had more than 100 registered conference attendees, participants, and speakers from all 5 inhabitable continents. From Europe, Asia, North and South America, Africa, and Australia. This is the result of being online. So the pandemic had some good effects to it. We believe that the pandemic did more to digitizing the world of performing arts and making it available online, and to education of performing artists in the ITI skills more than any national strategy, law, or international resolution or treaty. Performing artists know that on stage you exist only if you do. We are trained doers. It is our reflex. We are like water. We always find a way, even through the smallest crack. We are unstoppable. For the past 25 weeks, we have had live World Mime chats on World Mime Facebook page, discussions with mime and other performing artists and creators. We covered so many topics with so many of our colleagues from 4 continents. We would like to mention a few, like 3 chats about women in mime or surviving the pandemic, special chats about Marcel Marceau and Etienne Decroix, and chats in French, Spanish, Italian, and Portuguese languages. And more are to come, so stay tuned every Saturday at 5 p.m. Paris time on World Mime Facebook page. You are most welcome to join us, partner with us, organize and co-host some of the future chats in any language. One chat was an exclusive interview with Hollywood star and Academy Award nominee Jesse Eisenberg, who played the legendary French mime Marcel Marceau in Jonathan Yakubovich's film Resistance. Mime Against Corona, home-produced short video, was selected at the United Nations Global Call-Out to Creatives Help Stop the Spread of COVID-19 and had more than 100,000 views. It was especially presented in China as a promotion for the third World Mime Conference. On the 15th of March, the state of emergency was proclaimed in Serbia together with the lockdown. On March 16th, we have initiated a global hashtag, Artists Against Corona, on Facebook and Instagram, and invited our friends to localize them in different languages and to share artistic content for all the people in the lockdown. We also started Facebook groups in different languages. Serbian localization had more than 4,000 members in just few days and thousands of hours of different artistic content shared for free. The groups and the hashtag are still active, so we kindly invite you to share them, use them, and localize them. Don't forget, hashtag Artists Against Corona. Now let me finish with two citations. Famous horror writer Stephen King, in the midst of the lockdown, posted on Twitter the following statement. If you think artists are useless, try to spend your quarantine without music, books, poems, movies, and paintings. And I would add theater, dance, performing arts. And the second citation is from a world-renowned astrophysicist, Neil deGrasse Tyson, who said, "We measure the success of the civilization by how well they treat their creative people." So, dear friends, long live theater. Thank you.